There are a lot of extra features that you can add to this app, so I'm going to show you two of them. One is a new question feature, and the second is a what do you say, end game thing, to show end game feature to show you how well you've done in the quiz. So I'll just add in the two buttons quickly. So I have my two images here. This stands for retry and this stands for stop. So the coding for the retry will be very easy. You just have to recall, our function. So when our button new question is clicked, we just need to create that function again. I forgot to rename the other variables, so let me do it quickly. Done it. So for that, we need three new, I mean, three new variables to show, how many you got correct, how many you got wrong, and how many you skipped. I'll just add them in straight away. Set to 0. So I have all the variables here. So every time, I get a correct answer, I just need to change it up by 1. So go to variable, change, if the answer is right, change correctly answered by 1. And every time it's wrong, then you just duplicate it and change the variable name to change wrongly answered by 1. And then uh, over here, every time you skip a question, of course, you just change the skipped questions by 1. Change skipped questions by 1. So of course, when you click on stop game, you just need to we just need to create a new screen with three, with a couple of labels to display, our statistics for this game. And once we create that screen, we need to obviously shift there and move to it. So I have my screen right here, and let's go get coding. This is pretty simple, just displays the correct, wrong, skipped, and play again. In order for the play again to work, we need to, also reset, skip every time, the skipped variables, wrong variables, correct variables, every time the screen is opened, but not every time that the create variables are the create function is carried out. Let's go do that. And right here we have it. So onto our code for navigating there. When our button stop game is clicked, we just need to navigate there. Control, navigate to screen end game. Okay, so for our code there, every time the screen is open, we just need to display our you know data, our variables, in the respective labels. This is what it should look like. And obviously, when you click on the play again button, it should navigate back. So when that button is clicked, I haven't named it yet. I drag it just here and control, navigate back to the quiz side. Now let's test it out. When you test it out, make sure you are on the screen where you want the thing to start. Oh, the buttons don't look good, but those are easily fixable. Just change the size. Anyway, 67 plus 75. I'm going to skip it, and 28 plus 3, this is 31. Submit. I got that correct. Oh my goodness, that's not good. We'll fix them later. And then I'll just do this one wrongly. 32. Yes, that's wrong. And another one wrong. I'll just say 32 again. And now I'll stop my game. So I've clicked stop game, correct 1, wrong 2, skipped 1. That's right? Now click play again, and we're back here. And once we stop the game, our data is back to 0. Cool, let's go. Before I sign this off, let's just fix up those replay buttons. So I'll just set their say sizes to 60 each, not 60, let's say 50. And the width can also be 50. my goodness, I can type. Yes, that's much better. Height would be absolute size 50 and width would be 50. Cool. Now let's just test it out. That's better. And when you click on something, it doesn't just go, squashing up to the top. Okay, then, hope you enjoyed this video or this playlist, and I please subscribe, like, comment if you enjoy this video. Share this also with people you think might be interested in learning how to code in just a couple of minutes. Share links of your versions of this math app in the comments below, and you can also share images. I don't know if that's possible, but if it is, then please do. Reach out to me on the Thunkable community.thunkable.com, and my username there is codeswept. Okay, then see you in the next video. Bye bye.